Welcome to Mike and Nate Foster's Great Adventure. Sitting out here relaxing. The sun was shining 2 minutes ago. If you can see the dark cloud that moved over, the wind picked up. I gotta tell you, it's at least 10 degrees cooler right now with the wind blowing. Feels good. I think there's a front moving through. It looked like it was absolutely, well, I'm looking out, there's an island way out there. And you can see it crystal clear. I think it's resort. But you don't see it so crystal clear, so I think there's some rain involved in that. Here comes Robert. Robert's the guy that owns this place. Thank you.
Sir. Enjoy.
It'll be a nice surprise for her when she gets out.
They said 20%, but now I tried to call it pump boat. They say, oh, we will wait till
The storm moves through.
the wind is gone.
Yeah.
So maybe it will be a little bit later.
That's okay.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's fine. I'd rather use your pump boat anyhow, so I'd rather use yours.
Yeah, and otherwise you can go to the other side. It's very easy to explain. It's only 900-meter walking. And then there is a pump boat. It's 200 basement.
Okay.
Because it's a lot shorter to go to Taliban.
Well, yeah, it doesn't have to go around the island, I guess.
Right. So
Okay.
that's 200, and over here it's 300. It's a fixed price.
That'll give us a chance to see the island too.
Right.
I'll
Okay.
see what she wants to do.
Okay, no problem.
All right. It's funny. I was just in and asked Robert what the weather was today. It's beautiful. 20% chance of rain for Taliban. 40% Cebu. 30% for Tagbilaran. And I walked out here, sat down to drink my coffee, and poof. That quick. I told him, I said, I don't know. It's pretty dark back there headed our way. He said, no, it's going to be good. But it's all good. It's funny. It's calming down now. I think that was just the leading edge of the front kicking through. But, oh my God, it feels so much better. I was sweating just a little earlier, and now I'm completely comfortable. I don't know if you can see the chop. You heard what he said. Now the pump boat said that maybe we need to wait a little bit. You can't really see the chop, I don't think, on the water. That was completely calm just a little bit ago. All right, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Until next time, take care.